Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making cinnamon toast crunch cupcakes. They're going to be these golden cinnamon cupcakes that are going to be just so intoxicating with bursts of vanilla and cinnamon, crushed cinnamon toast crunch cereal sprinkles on top of each delicious fluffy cupcake after a vibrant sky blue swirl of simple vanilla buttercream. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on the cupcake that is pretty much breakfast, because why not? So our first step is to whisk together all of our dry ingredients. So grab your mixing bowl and to that you're going to go ahead and add in your flour, your sugar, your baking powder, and your cinnamon. Then we're going to go ahead and give those a quick little whisk. With those dry ingredients all whisked together, we're going to go ahead and stay in the same big mixing bowl and start adding in our butter and our milk. Then with your hand mixer on a nice low speed to start getting everything incorporated together before moving to a medium speed. Now let's go ahead and add in our eggs and our vanilla. And then switch to a medium speed and mix all of your ingredients together in this delicious batter until everything is combined and your batter is nice and smooth. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, we have delicious vanilla cinnamon cupcake batter. Go ahead and start adding these to your cupcake liners in your cupcake pan. And we're going to fill each cupcake liner until they're about halfway full. Once your cupcake pan is filled with this delicious batter, go ahead, pop in your oven and let bake for a quick 18 to 20 minutes, or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our cupcakes have baked, they've cooled for a quick little 5 minutes. Now let's go ahead and decorate. So we're going to take some vanilla buttercream that I've dyed as sky blue for a nice, pale blue color, and we're going to swirl that onto each cupcake. And finally, we're going to sprinkle on some crushed cinnamon toast crunch cereal onto each cupcake. And after you're done topping with your crushed cereal, you will have the perfect cupcake with a nice blend of vanilla and cinnamon, bright blue vanilla buttercream, and yummy, yummy cereal. Now, who says you can't have dessert for breakfast? Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these delicious cereal-inspired cinnamon toast crunch cupcakes. If you want more cereal-inspired desserts, or if you just like cinnamon toast crunch cereal like I do, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up treats you like, you want to see more of, and you're going to be trying yourselves. Then while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any yummy treats I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make these delicious cinnamon toast crunch cupcakes or maybe your own cereal inspired dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna grab a cupcake, enjoy the day. I hope you all get to do the same, and as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye!